Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on GitHub. This is a great way to stay updated with developers whose work you admire and keep track of their latest projects and contributions. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly to access your account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account first, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already logged in and ready to go. After you've logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the GitHub homepage. Here you'll find the search bar. This is your main tool for discovering users, repositories, and other content on GitHub. Click on the search bar to activate it, and you'll notice it's ready for your input. Now type in the username of the person you want to follow. It could be a developer you've been following on social media, a colleague, or someone whose projects caught your attention. Once you've typed their username, press Enter to initiate the search. GitHub will now process your query and display relevant results. When the search results appear, you'll notice several filter options on the left side of the page. These filters help you narrow down your search based on what you're looking for, whether it's repositories, code, issues, or users. For our purpose, click on the Users filter. This will refine your results to show only user profiles that match your search query, making it much easier to find the specific person you're looking for. From the filtered results, carefully browse through the list to find the correct user. GitHub will display profile pictures, usernames, and sometimes a brief bio to help you identify the right person. Once you've found them, click on their profile name. This action will take you directly to their GitHub profile page, where you can see all their repositories, contributions, and activity. On their profile page, look for the Follow button. This button is typically located just below their profile avatar, making it easy to spot. Click on this button and you're all set. By following them, you'll start seeing their activity in your feed, including new repositories they create, projects they contribute to, and other updates they share. And there you have it. You've successfully followed someone on GitHub and can now stay connected with their work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.